Hi all, welcome to the Python introduction session. We are going to discuss a series of topics as part of this learning series. Coming to the introduction, Python is a procedure-oriented, object-oriented language. Basically, Python supports both object-oriented and procedural-oriented languages. Python is a high-level object-oriented language which supports both procedure-oriented way as well as object-oriented way. The current Python programming version is 3.x. Now current trending is 3.12 and 3.13 as well. However, most of the applications are running in 3.12 only, since 3.13 is a very new release and it is not established or stabilized in the market. This Python language, as we discussed, it will be used for web development as well as machine learning, along with all cutting-edge technologies in software industry. And as we discussed, Python language is widely used across many technology giants like Google, Amazon, Facebook, Instagram, and so on. Here, how do we code the Python programming? There are two ways of writing the Python programs. One is we write the program in a file and run at one time. Basically, how we write the Java coding as part of your IDEs. Here also we will be writing Python code as part of your IDEs. Basically, IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, and mostly familiar IDEs for Python are PyCharm, VS Code, and so on. However, the second way of running the code is line by line through IDLE, Integrated Development Learning Environment. This line by line we can compile and execute these Python statements and we can integrate it as a single program. Widely used these line by line coding environments are Python IDLE, which we are going to discuss as part of the subsequent sessions, and also we will be experiencing Jupyter Notebook as part of it. As we discussed, Python is a very old language. Java came into the industry in 1996. However, Python came into existence in 1980s itself. It started implementing in December 1989. Python 2.0 was released in 2000s, which was widely used for the scripting languages, cycle detection, comprehensions, garbage collection, reference counting, and so on. Primarily, they have used for the scripting languages and automation for the real-time applications. However, Python 3.0 got established in the year of 2008. Now, Python 3.x is widely popular, and out of Python 3 series, Python 3.12 and 13 are currently established in the market. However, Python 13 is a very new entrant to the market and it is not stabilized version. People are using Python 3.12 for their production implementations. However, Python 3.6, 7 and 8, some of these frameworks are compatible with these Python 3.x series. Python 2.x support has stopped from 2020 onwards. Initially, it got announced the support will be stopped or end of life from 2015 onwards, but it got extended till 2020, and now most of the production applications are running with 3.x. When I started initially using Java, I was so much surprised with the capabilities of Java framework. However, Python got more prominence in the recent days due to its multiple capabilities. Using these Python applications, we can develop web applications, data science and machine learning algorithms, and desktop applications, scripting, automations, scientific computing, game development, and web scraping. As we discussed in the previous sessions, Python supports web development using Django and Flask frameworks. And also, as we all know, Python is got familiar due to its machine learning and data science capabilities. We are going to discuss some of these libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Scikit. We are going to discuss as part of this series. Initially, if you see, Python 2.0 primarily used for desktop applications like Kinter and Pyquit, and it was used heavily in scripting automations. Even for job schedulers or your build scripting were widely used as part of the Python applications because of the compatibility or flexibility with these programming languages. Nowadays, Python is also widely used in scientific computing, game development. One of the advantages with Python applications or Python programming is just extend the frameworks and use the library and develop the code like that. Some of the libraries like Pygame are useful for game development, and also Python widely used for web scraping for the web applications. Some of these libraries like Soup and Scrappy are widely used for the web scraping techniques. With this, we came to the end of this session. In the subsequent sessions, we are going to discuss about the programming. However, if you want to learn any specific topic, please feel free to comment here as part of this session, as well as please let us know your views and comments. I'll be responding to all of your queries personally. Thank you very much, and I look forward to seeing in the next sessions of this Python learning series. Thank you.